A member for Laika.
Thank you, Assistant Speaker. Long given time, long people long like question blomi golong Minister Blong Mining. Before me asking question golong Minister Blong Mining me kissing house long people long lagay na program tu long passing talk sore bang bla golong people of New Ireland, people of the country long passing long late Sir Julius Chin, one of the last men standing. Ibn Bungam long mid-90s long, Wabeg community school time become Wabeg one time, say Albert Kipalana. Then the last time he stopped on time long, obviously long 6 months, we got privilege na honor long, stop on time. One time isla, to me to thank you long, the government long recognizing you, Honorable Council Kamdaru long, sit down, na chair isla meeting. Time ibla look away long leadership long say jail 2 plus is na 2 time ibla in passing to bla very important law amending constitution of the country na to one kind time government it looks away long on the married long sit long say as there so time on probably ibla losing ibla long sila country ibla young plan na mama na beginning of the country sanab long kissing the country forward after 50 years. Country, go straight, go long road, no good, mountain, rain, sun, but you go yet reaching destiny plus the country. Thank you, President. What I'm saying, me ask him, and third time me ask him. Last mining minister me ask him. Last time to me ask him, now me ask him again. One time through, community development agreement long, Pokora government by finish. I've been failed 6 times. I'm finished yet, and I'm failed yet. So, CDA blo Pokora conclude yet. My resettlement, I'm no come up yet 30 years now. So this long line been by sleep array long SML area and villages in Kulapina, Panandakan, Alpis, illegal manas go sleep lab na making trouble long Pokora gold mine. So I'm stop inside long SML area. So resettlement no come up yet. Na last agreement and CDA no come up. So me like I want a clear time frame of when we would conclude the CDA. It has failed over and over again, and I need a short answer by now. Thank you.
Mr.